Hey guys, so if you're looking to declutter your wardrobe and some extra cash or snag incredible bargains on second-hand clothes, getting started on Vinted is super quick and totally free. So let us set up your profile and make sure that you're properly on track from day one. So download the Vinted app, or you can also register from the browser. So just press on this sign up or login. And then, as you can see, we just need to use which account you want in order to either log in or sign up. So the way this works, don't worry that you don't see the sign up button. If you use your account, for example, from Google, and Vinted registers that this email address was never used to sign up for the accounts on Vinted, it will just go ahead and register you automatically on its own. So I just continue with Google in my case. Okay, I just chose Google. And now, as you can see, guys, you need to go ahead and open up your mail app and enter this 4-digit code that was sent to your mail. Okay, so here's my code. Remember this device and verify. Okay, and now I'm automatically logged in, and as you can see, it's just left for me to add my phone number, which can be done here, and easily verify. And after that, you have your fully new functional Vinted account. Hopefully this was helpful, guys. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe.